Okay guys, today we are going to do the carburetor and fuel lines on an Echo srm-225sb trimmer. All the parts come in a package. It's a complete kit, everything you'll need. It's got spare primer balls, air filter, spark plug, grommet, fuel lines, brand new carburetor, super cheap on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. You just click on it and it'll take you right to it. I buy from Hutzel all the time. I use a lot of their products, 100 of them. You know, out of every 100 or 200 maybe even, I'll get one that doesn't work. It's very rare that I get one that doesn't work. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is take the air filter cover off. It's T27. I use a stihl tool to take the T27s out. It's got a T27 on the end of it. It's a torque 27. Take those 2 bolts out. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and turn the throttle like this and pull this throttle cable out. See how it's sliding out of there? There it goes. Boom. Get that out. 10 millimeter. We're going to loosen this nut so that we can pop this off. This line's off. Get out of the way. Oh. Loosen the gas cap and these won't leak. So flathead screwdriver. We're going to go ahead and pry this grommet and fuel lines right out of it. I got to have 2 hands. I got to hold this and then stab and pry at the same time. Get this guy off here. Set him there. We're going to take the gas cap all the way off. We're going to drain all the old gas out. Go ahead and put new fuel lines in once we're done cleaning out the gas tank. Filter first. Stab it all the way down in. And then you're going to push the back side down in first, like that. You're going to hold it there. And then you slowly work your way around with a flathead screwdriver from one side to the other, forcing it in. It is hard to get this new grommet in, but it will go in. Keep working your way around, keep getting it in until it's about like that. And I got like one or two more shoves and it'll pop right in. So the black line is your fuel line. This is your, we'll set this right up here. This is just your vent. Gas tank vent goes like that. Black line is your fuel line, and the yellow line is your return line. Brand new carburetor. The black line goes to the fat nipple. That's your fuel intake. And this is your return, the small nipple. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and get them hooked up. Black line to the big nipple, yellow line to the little nipple. Just like that. Then we're going to go ahead and get this cable in place. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. So the cable, we're going to set the barrel end in the cable of the cable into this throttle. Just like this. Sorry, it's hard to do this with one hand, let alone record a video while I'm doing it. But it's close right there. We're going to get this cable over into its slot. Like this. And get it pushed down in. Tighten this 10 millimeter nut back down. And now you see the cable still isn't quite properly in there. If you hit the throttle, usually it'll pull it right in. There it goes. Now it's in properly. Everything's working. So now we're going to go ahead, choke arm towards the recoil. We're going to stab this through this carburetor here. And then put this gasket, try to hold that there. Maybe a new gasket in here. Yeah, there is. This gasket right here holds down, the little tiny holes down. We're going to put it onto the bolt, as well. Like that. So it's like that. And put this back in like that. T27, tighten the carburetor back down. The choke arm, check the throttle, make sure everything's functioning properly, make sure that there's no kinks in the fuel lines. Everything's looking good. Now we're going to put a little gas in the gas tank so that we can prime it up. Make sure that that's working. Oh, look, now see there's an issue right there. This fuel line is worked its way back around like that. We don't want that. We want that to be up inside the tank, so that's laying on the bottom of the tank. So I have to work on getting this out and get it lined back up in there properly. Like that. Down in there, nice. Sitting on the bottom of the tank now. Alright. Now that's done, we're going to dump some gas into this gas tank. And then we're going to prime it. You see the bubbles coming out of the return line, the yellow line. That's good. That's what you want. You want the gas going up in there. If it isn't doing that, you've got these lines backwards and you swap them around. You see foam coming out from back over here. That means you got them backwards. Gas cap back on. You just squeeze this guy, shove it in there. Boom. No biggie. And see if this thing runs now. This thing hasn't been running a long time. She got debris burning off of her. And all right, so we're going to go ahead and pull the old filter off because that is garbage. Shove a brand new filter in there. Filter, the cover back on. You're ready to go. All right, guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. All the parts will be in the description below. Today's t-shirt will also be in the description below. If this helped you out, please give me that thumbs up, subscribe, show a little support. If you want to do any advertising, message me. Be more than happy to have you. Peace.